again here with a new video. So I hope you all are fine and safe. So today I'm going to show you an amazing and wonderful project. But before showing you the project, this project is basically based on gas leakage. And as we all know, our mothers or sisters who work in the kitchen sometimes leave the gas on, which can lead to fire accident. So keeping that in mind and to protect them, I have made this similar kind of project. So let us have a look at this project. For this project, we need a microprocessor, we need a buzzer, then we need a gas sensor, and we need some jumper wires. I have already made the circuit and connected it. So let us have a demo. See, now it will take few seconds to detect the gas. After that, the buzzer will start making sounds, as you can see. And now when I will switch off the gas, it will take few seconds and the buzzer will stop making the sounds. See? So, if you like my video, then do not forget to subscribe my channel and share this video.